Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to my honest review of Nano Defense Pro. I'm Elena, and today I'm going to tell you about a product that has truly been a game changer for me. I'll walk you through what it is, what it does, how it works, and I've also got an important warning to share before you buy, so stick with me until the end. And just so you know, I've already left the official website link down below in the description, so it's super easy for you to check it out later. Just scroll down, click the link, and you'll go straight to the real Nano Defense Pro website. Now let's talk about what Nano Defense Pro actually is. It's a powerful, all-natural treatment that's specially made to take care of your toenails and the skin around them. And trust me, this is unlike anything I've ever used before. First of all, Nano Defense Pro is made with 100% natural ingredients. That means no harsh chemicals, no nasty side effects, just pure plant-based goodness. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, essential oils, and nutrients, all delivered in a simple, easy-to-use lotion that you apply directly to your nails and skin. If you're dealing with stubborn toenail fungus, I get it. It's annoying, sometimes even embarrassing, and super hard to treat. I've tried pedicures, home remedies, even over-the-counter stuff, and nothing seemed to work long-term. But Nano Defense Pro changed that for me. The fungus actually went away for good, and the best part, it hasn't come back. But it doesn't stop there. Nano Defense Pro also helps prevent future fungal infections, strengthens weak and brittle nails, and improves the overall look and health of your toenails. It even works on the skin around your nails, keeping it soft, smooth, and nourished. And yes, it's also effective against athlete's foot. Now here's what makes Nano Defense Pro truly unique. It uses something called nanoparticle technology to deliver the ingredients deep into your nails and skin, reaching fungus at the root where most products can't get to. That's what sets it apart from everything else I've tried. It's not just surface-level treatment, it works from the inside out. To get the best results, though, you need to use it daily. Consistency is key. The minimum recommended treatment is 3 months, but for real long-term results, go for the full 6-month package. That's what I did, and it was totally worth it. One more thing I love, they offer a 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's 6 whole months to try it out. And if you're not happy, you can get every penny back. No questions asked. And here's the important warning I promised. You can only buy Nano Defense Pro from the official website. It's not in stores, not on other websites, and there are a lot of fake versions out there. So please be careful. That's why I'll put the official link down below in the video description. That's the only place to get the original legit product. If you're tired of hiding your feet, struggling with fungus, or dealing with weak nails, I highly recommend you check out Nano Defense Pro. Click the link below, read the full list of ingredients, check out other user reviews, and take that first step to healthier, stronger, and fungus-free nails. You deserve it.